Hey, Tytus
LiWen.
DanceInsanity.
And today we're doing a little cha-cha routine, keeping it nice and simple because we want to use this routine to help you improve the way you articulate your ankles and your feet.
So if you're brand new to learning cha-cha technique, then this is a great tutorial for you. However, I guess it's going to be a little bit too simple for people who are advanced, right, LiWen?
Actually, it's going to be perfect for people who are more advanced because this is a good way to get back down to the basics and work your fundamentals.
Actually, that's a good point because sometimes when you're either competing or doing social dancing, you just go so crazy and just go for it and you forget about all those technical things you want to be focusing on. So yes, I stand corrected. Great tutorial for advanced dancers as well.
Yes, and simple and classic never goes out of style.
It does not.
Let's do this. Yeah. Footwork. We're gonna start really nice and slow. Start with your weight on the left, cucaracha to the side on the right, then replace to the left. You do a slight turn on that left foot, and you come forward on the right. You hook your left foot behind, and then forward right again. That's a cha-cha lock. Then you do a slight swivel, and you go to the side on the left, replace to the right, a slight turn on that right foot, then forward left, hook your right foot behind, and then forward left. Now that's a cha-cha lock again. Good, a slight swivel to face front, and right foot coming forward, replace to the left. Now bring your right foot in to meet your left and switch your weight to the right foot. Then switch your weight to the left, ankles together, switch your weight back to the right. And left foot comes forward in a check, back to the right foot. Now bring your left foot to meet your right, switch your weight to the left. Then switch back to your right and back to your left. There you go, that's a compact chasse. Yes, now we're gonna do that again, a little bit faster this time. All right, and here we go. And to the side on the right, replace to the left, slight turn, forward lock, right, hook your left foot behind, forward on the right, slight turn, and side on the left, replace to the right, a slight turn, then forward left, hook your right foot behind, forward left, a slight turn on that left foot, right foot comes forward, replace to the left, and then bring ankles together, you close to the right, close to the left, close to the right. Repeat on the left side. Left foot come forward. Back to the right. Bring your ankles together and left, right, left. And one last time. Here we go. Get that footwork down. And we go cucaracha to the right. Replace to the left. A slight turn. Lock right. Hook behind. Right. Slight turn. Cucaracha left. Back to the right. Slight turn. Lock left, hook right foot, left foot forward. Nice. And right foot comes forward, replace to the left. You have a compact chasse. You go right, left, right. Then left foot comes forward, check, replace to the right, and left, right, left. Yes, you got it. Okay, time for timing. We start prep on 4, 1. Go side on 2. Replace 3 and 4 and 1 is your lock. And go to the side on 2. Replace 3, turn, and 4 and 1. Come forward on 2. Replace 3, ankles close, 4 and 1. Forward 2. Back on the right on 3. Close, 4 and 1. Yes, that's your timing. Now I'm going to show you how the footwork works. And when you're doing this whole routine, it's really important that you brush your ankles together, okay? I'm going to do all of this in a mirror image. This is going to be your right side, right here. All right? So when you do a mirror image, you want to really follow me from the front so you can really see the full picture, not just from the back. This is going to help you develop your dancing, not just from the back, but from the front. You want 360, full body movement, okay? Here we go. We go to the side. You're going to brush your legs 2, 3. Right here, brush the ankles. Cha, cha, 1. And as you swivel, have a slight brush through. 2, 3. Brush your ankles through. Cha, cha, 1. And again, right here, when you come through, you want ankle to ankle. So I don't want to see like that. This is going to look kind of ugly. So you want it to be nice and sleek. And then come forward, replace. Again, let the ankles be together when you switch your weight. Yeah, I'm going to show you what not to do right here. So you don't want your ankles to all be funny like this. All right, nah. When you learn with us on our channel, want to make sure you get it right. So from here, ankles together, forward, and ankle together again. Cha, cha, cha. Coming forward, back. You guessed it, ankles together, leave them together. There you go. Then you're ready to go from the top again. Okay? Do it. Get it. You can do this. Let's go. Yo, 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 thanks for joining us today in this cha-cha basic routine.
Developing your technique.
Click right here for our top 10 cha-cha steps and an awesome routine to wrap it all together. Follow us on Instagram, right there. Subscribe here to our channel.
And also get a hold of the Cha-Cha Essentials to really get your technique outstanding.
Wow, 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 wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Tytus and LiWen from DanceInsanity. We look forward to seeing you
In the next
video.
Later.